Hi children, today let us start chapter 6 angles. Do you know the meaning of angle, dear students? Angles means what? The space between two intersecting lines or surfaces at or close to the point where they meet. Means where the 2 points meet. An angle has the two rays and one common end point. We are saying this is an angle. See children, let us observe some daily activities. When you stand in a line for a march past, you will turn to your right or your left according to the instruction of your PT master. No? Left turn, right turn, they will tell, no? They will tell or no? Then how much angle will turn? Okay. How much you have to turn the tap to get a water? Do you know that? You will turn the tap to get a water, no? You will turn or not? But how much you have to turn? Do you know that? No. One more case. Have you observed the regulator of a fan? Sometime mother will say, father will say, please increase or decrease the speed of the fan. That time will turn 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Yes, no? Next case. The bus driver will turn the steering wheel of the bus. How can you measure the rotation of steering wheel? Yes, in all the above cases. What we are getting the ideas? Yes, they all turn in the angles 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, means can you observe the wall clock? 12, 1, 2, 3. The minutes hand of the clock will turn in 10 minutes as shown in the figure. Here the rotation of needle can be represented as an angles. See where the angles will form. You see the next picture. See here. They are the two common rays are meet now. Okay, this point place we are calling as a angles. Means an angle has a two rays. These are the two rays and one common end point. In this place only the angles will form. The space between the two intersecting the lines. Okay. Next here you see. Here the angle will form, here the angle will form, here the angle will form, here the angle will form. Next you see the triangle and star. Okay. In all the cases the angles will form. The word angle has been originated. This angle, the word angle has been originated from the Greek word angelos. Greek word angelos means the curved, slanted or not straight. This is the curved or slanted but not straight. The space between the leg and the foot is called the ankle. Means the meaning of that ankle only they are saying nowadays angle. Dear students, how to know this is 30 degree, 60 degree, 10 degree? How to know? What are the important things you are using to measure the angles? The angle is an open geometrical figure. Dear students, this angle is an open geometrical figure. And the angle has the two rays and common end point. Is there a two rays and the common end point? The common end point is called, this is called as a vertex. What we are calling? Vertex. The two rays are called a side, or these two rays we are calling as a side or arms of an angle. Always the angle is, see, the two rays, the common end point, this common end point, this is the common end point, no? This is called as a vertex. The two rays, OA and OB, these two rays are called as side or arms of an angle. And the angle is represented by this side, denoted by capital letters of the English alphabet. Okay, this is the symbol. An angle is represented by the capital letters of the English alphabet, the second letter always represented the vertex. Means an angle is represented by the capital letters. Capital letters A, B, O means capital letters of the English alphabet. The second letter always represent the vertex. See, this is the second letter, no? A, O, B. How to read this one? Angle A, O, B or B, O, A. An angle is measured with the help of protractor. Can you see the protractor in your compass box? Yes, this is the protractor. The unit of measurement of an angle is degree, children. How you have to read? Afterwards I will explain about the protractor. Okay. Now, according to this explanation, there is an exercise for you. Exercise 6.1. Observe your surrounding environment and list the situation where the angles are formed. First one, where the angles are formed. First one. Edge of the blackboard. Can you see the edge of the blackboard, dear children? Okay. There also there are the two rays will be meeting. Hands of the clock, edge of the table, alphabets you see, W. The two rays will meet, no, here. This is also angles will form like this. T here, A, E, etc. This is your first answer exercise. Second one, observe the angles formed while doing the following yogasana postures. Okay, see children where the angles will form. Here, here, okay, then here, next, here, next, here also the angles will form. Next, here, here, next here. Okay. Yes, you see where the angles will form. Take Xerox and put mark like this. Third one. Paul has measured, arranged the sticks as shown in the figure. Observe the angles formed here and mark the angles by drawing lines. You should mark the angles. Okay, see children where the angles will form. In this case, here, here, okay, here. In four sides also the angles will form. Next, exact 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, this is your third one. Name the angles and vertex and side in the following figure. One example they given. I told you already. Angle, how to read this one? Angle X, Y, Z. Angle is what? X, Y, Z. Vertex is which is the middle point. That is vertex Y. Which are the sides? X, Y and Y, Z are the sides. Okay, according to this, you should write this one. See, first one. Angle CDE. Angle how we will read this one? Angle CDE. Angle you write angle CDE. Vertex is D. Sides is CD or DE. Next, second one. KLM. Angle is KLM. Vertex is L. Sides is KL and LM. Okay. Third one. SUT. Angle SUT. Vertex is U. Sides is SU and UT. Fourth one. Angle PQR. See children. PQR straight line means there is a 180 degree. Afterwards I will explain the angles. Angle PQR. Vertex is Q. Sides are PQ and RQ. Or PQ and QR. See children, this is your exercise 6.1. Okay. Sit and complete your notes, dear children.